snowstorm in the south. It is beautiful. There's Simba. I'm not sure if he's ever even seen the snow. And it's beautiful snow too. It's perfect. The wind's calm. It's just falling straight down. It's just gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Maybe that'll help. So far we got about 4 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches maybe here of snow. It's beautiful. Love it. So quiet. The crows are singing in the background. The trees are packed with snow cover. Beautiful snow. My fire pit covered. Look at those pine trees. Gorgeous. Rooftop across the way. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Here in a little bit, we're going to make us some snow cream. So we're going to learn how to do that. So it will be some snow cream made in the snowstorm in the south, 2025. Don't see it again like this very often. And when you do, it's just beautiful. Yeah. Hopefully those gutters will support it. That's what I worry about. That's a lot of snow in those gutters. Yeah. We'll see y'all here in a little bit. Show you how to make some snow cream. Average Joe, how do you get that snow? Well, Average Joe walks out here and he finds him a spot that has no yellow or brown on it. You say, well, yellow or brown? Right. If it's not pure white, you don't want to use it. And I normally just take my hand and I just scoot the top of it off, just to make sure that, you're not getting anything that you shouldn't be getting. And then I take my bowl and I scoop me up some snow, right? Oh, run back into the house here. And, wife's going to kill me for tracking this in and out. Ooh, she's going to get me good. Alright, so, one other ingredient I forgot to mention. Milk. Let's make that snow cream a viewer asked me to show. First off, you need some sugar, of course. Then you'll need some sort of vanilla flavoring. The pure vanilla work. Imitation vanilla work. Just whatever you have at home. You'll need a bowl. And you'll need some snow. So let's go grab this. You gotta have that milk, right? So you take your milk, sugar, vanilla, snow. You gotta do this to taste, right? You put a little milk inside that snow, just like that right there. Right? Like I said, this is not an exact measurement of anything. This is just to taste. How do you like it? Oh, brand new thing of vanilla flavor. Still got the... I wish you could smell that. Then you put ooh, that's a little too much. Put a little bit of vanilla flavor in there. And then you take your sugar. Put you some sugar in it. Yeah, like so. Grab you a big old spoon. I'm going to walk over here and do that. Should have this together, shouldn't I? And then you just take it, you just kind of mix it together. You know, you just have to mix it until it gets the consistency of some ice cream, basically, like soft serve ice cream. This snow here is perfect too because it doesn't have ice crystals in it. This is just pure D snow. Look at that. Tell me, snow cream, my friends. Snow cream. Woo. I don't know if this is a southern thing, if everybody does this, or what. You just mix that stuff up right there like that. Look at that. Snow cream. Snow cream. Woo. Let me get a taste. Mmm. That's delicious. I love it. Yeah. Well, it's early in the morning, but never too early for some snow cream. Ooh-wee. And we have about 4 inches up there, 5 inches. So I should be able to eat quite a bit of snow cream today. But what's today? The 10th? The 10th of January here in the south. And I was beginning to wonder if this actually was going to happen. Snowstorm, that is. Me and the partner, we worked hard last night to get home. We didn't want the snow to catch us out on the interstate, and we have to spend all night on that interstate. So we really humped it yesterday to get back in time. And we made it. It started here, I don't know, it was about 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning. It started snowing here, so I made it home by hour and a half, 2 hours, which is, you know, that's good. Y'all need to try this. Sugar, vanilla extract, some milk, some snow. Got yourself some snow cream. All right. Hey, if it's snowing where you're at and the power's still on and you got plenty to eat and you're staying warm, get out and enjoy it. Just don't get on the roads if you don't have to. Let's watch out for each other out there. Traffic very light here. I've seen a few trucks this morning, but not many cars. That's smart. Most people are probably off from work unless you're working, you know, as a police officer, fire department, a hospital or something like that. And most of them probably spent the night or whatever. But yeah, so just enjoy it. Get out and have fun with it. My dog, he loves it. He's already been out running and playing and carrying on. And we might have another video later on today. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Can we make it to the park? That's a good ways from here on some slick roads. But my truck is 4-wheel drive. We'll have to see. I bet that's beautiful over there. Oh, we'll look and see. But hey, here we go. How do you make that snow cream? Thank you for the idea. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching my videos. Average Joe 76. Let's give you another shot here. Now that beautiful snow. Roll that beautiful snow footage there, sir. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to shoot through the window real quick. Look at that, people.